Breaking news. This is a Pete Woods Gardening Tips emergency episode about the pansies. It's snowing on April 14th. We'll be back after this. Today's sponsored by Werther's Original Candies.
Werther's.
Huh?
Werther's.
Werther's Original Candies. You get them at Aldi's for $1.50. It's like chocolate, butterscotch. Who eats this stuff? Old people? They say, oh, the commercials like, oh, remember when you were a kid and we had Werther's Original? I've never heard of Werther's Original. Anyway, you get them at Aldi's $1.50. Werther's Original Candies.
Werther's.
Werther's, thank you. This is a Pete Woods Gardening Tip emergency update. The other day we put pansies out here. I says, they're good for the cold weather. They're not like this. Look at this. April 14th. Show the things here. So here's what we had to do. We had to move it in here. I said, pansies can be out in the cold. But who thought winter would come back, for crying out loud, tears? Look at this. So we put them in here. See? They're still wet from the snow. Look at this. We're over here. Come here. We got lots more. Look. Here's all the ones we planted just the other day. Look. See? Now we got to put them in the house. After all I was saying, how they could stand the cold weather, we had to bring them in the house. But that's how it goes. It snows. It's the worst winter ever. Look at it. Put the thing out the windows. You can see it's sticking. Look. It's sticking on the car. Look at that. It's unbelievable. You believe that? Anyway, this is it. So look, we set the pansies. They'll have to stay here overnight, sleep in our house like refugees. So that's the emergency Pete Woods Gardening Tips Pansy Edition, sponsored today by Budweiser. When it snows on April 14th, you're going to need a case. All right, take it easy.